That's right. Thank you guys. Look at this crowd here. Like a monster truck show.
Really appreciate it.
I love doing these videos, man. I gotta get to drive one now too.
Appreciate the fans for coming out also.
Listen to that. Little red line for a good time. Woohoo! Here we go. Let's get her done.
And 11 inches vertical. Chris Douglas.
295. Okay guys, so they have made some adjustments to this thing. Come to find out, this thing didn't work. So they put another one of those on, adjusted this thing up here, and now it might do something a little bit different, but we don't know yet. I know it starts though, we figured that out, so we'll see. But yeah, he was pretty pissed off about it, how it ran the last time, but we shall see. So he made some adjustments to it. Hopefully it'll get down there under its own power this time. So we'll find out in just a minute. All right, just cleared it out. Let's see what happens. There you go. Piece of crap. It still fell on his face. Still needs some more adjusting. But from right here all the way down there, that was him being pissed off at it. I don't blame him. Dang.
Whitman still can't get right. His next hookup on the sled.
That needs to be that name.
312.
Listen to that. God. 325 more.
Sleepy Henry is getting ready to hook up to the sled. Again, he tails out of Charlotte Hall, Maryland. He did a 286.5.
498 Ford big block on this. Heck yeah, baby. Built for it tough.
498 big block Ford.
That's right. All right, Sonic, Focus SC, this is dedicated to you. Can't wait to modify that